Hello everyone! I'm making this video to greet my beautiful, kind, and very supportive friend and YouTube channel, Bicolanang Ali. Lalabs, thank you so much for all your support and love. Today is your most important day in your life. Enjoy your day, Lalabs. Happy birthday. Hindi ko natatanungin kung ilang taon ka na kasi ang bata-bata mo pa, tapos so pretty pa, with a good heart. So, hindi ko na ito patatagalin, Lalabs, ha. At gusto ko na rin gamitin ang araw na to sa pagsabi ng thank you so much. Alam mo na yun kung ano, kahit bago lang tayo magkakilala sa YT, kayo ni Lalabs Vivian, hindi nyo ako iniwan, hindi nyo ako pinabayaan, ginaid nyo ako. Magandang ano yun, magandang sinyalis ba. So, thank you again, as in, thank you. Happy birthday, enjoy your day, and God bless you, and always in good health. At huwag makalimut tumawag kay God. Thank you again, Lalabs. Stay safe.